Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3 together stitch using 2 different types of stitches. The first part will be a front post treble, the second part will be a front post double crochet, and the third part will be a front post treble. So we'll start in the first stitch, yarn over twice, insert around your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, leaving 2 loops on your hook. The second part, we're going to make a front post double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, leaving 3 loops on your hook. And for the final part, we're going to do a front post treble, yarn over 2, insert in the third stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, leaving 4 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4, and you will now have a front post treble, double crochet, front post double crochet, and a front post treble, creating a 3 together stitch.